Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain you exercise 10.3 for class 7th, chapter 10, practical geometry. Earlier I have already uploaded my two videos for 10.1 and 10.2. Today I am going to discuss on 10.3. So let's start from the NCERT. All questions we will be doing today. So here 10.3, first question is construction of a triangle DEF such that DE is 5 cm, DF is 3 cm and EDF angle is 90 degree. For this we have to first follow the step which we have to draw DF is equals to 3 cm. Just take DF is equals to 3 cm. With the help of ruler, mark DF 3 cm. Then you have to draw an angle of 90 degree at D which cut DE 5 cm. So at D, because here it is angle EDF, matlab EDF, whatever the alphabet is in between the two alphabets, then this means that this angle you need to draw or construct. So for constructing 90 degree, take any arc, put the rounder spin pointer here, draw a semicircle like this, cut first arc which is called 60 degree, then second arc which is 120, and in between 60 and 120 you will exactly get 90 degree. So here it is 90 degree. Thick. Then here from this point you need to cut an arc of 5 cm on this line. So take 5 cm like this with the help of ruler, put your pointer here and cut an arc here. If your line is short, then you can extend this line like this. This is your point E. EDF is 90 degree. Join EF. This is your required triangle. That's it. Only 3 steps. First step 3 cm. Second step 90 degree. Cut an arc of 5 cm from D and then join EF. Theek. So this is your triangle DEF. Now the second question is, you need to construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of its equal side length of each of its equal side is 6.5 cm and angle between them is 110. For this again you need to just draw the rough diagram first. Theek. Then here it is isosceles triangle. So you can take this two sides or this two sides also. So if we are taking AB like this, so C will be here. Theek. If it is 6.5, it will also 6.5, and for 110 you need to draw an obtuse angle. So in this way you will be finding your ABC, not this point. Okay. So let's start. Again I am drawing AB 6.5, thick, angle A 110. If it is C, then this side and this side should be same. Isosceles triangle, any two sides can be same. And this is join BC. This is your rough diagram. Okay? So let's start. AB 6.5. AB 6.5 cm. AB 6.5. On A we will not construct, we will just draw an angle 110 with the help of protractor. From here you need to go that side, outside of the line, because it is an obtuse angle. This concept should be clear into your mind. Ki which side we have to draw an angle. Sometimes the children get confused ki 110 angle will be this side, inside the line or outside the line. This is very simple. This is your C for AC line, and then again take 6.5 cm arc with the help of ruler and cut on this. this, just see, this point is your C. So angle between these two isosceles sides, matlab equal sides, you will find an angle between them as 110. ठीक, then join this BC, you will get this ABC is a required triangle. Then now for this you can measure it, and of course you should measure, ठीक है, because if two segments you are knowing, the third should be also known to you. So this is 10.5 centimeter. ठीक, here also we can measure 6 centimeter. So measurement can be a bit different of mine, of yours. It's not a big deal. Third question. For third question, you have to construct a triangle with BC, angle C is 60 degree and AC is 5 centimeter. So draw BC 7.5. Okay. BC 7.5. C angle is given. So just draw, take any arc. Take any arc means this is the standard arc. Put the pointer on C. Draw the semicircle like this. From this pointer, from this point, put your pointer here and cut first arc. This is always 60 degree. You can measure with the help of protractor also. So constructing 60 degree is very simple. Very simple. ठीक. So here constructed 60 degree, then AC is also given. So from point C, take the measurement of 5 centimeter, put your pointer on C, cut an arc of 5 centimeter like this on this line. Say this is X, this point is A, join AB and also measure it. So this is 6.5 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter and this would be 7.5 centimeter. So it is your required 3 triangles in exercise 10.3. Now we will be doing 10.4. So in 10.4 you need to again construct different kinds of triangle. So let's start with that. ठीक, you have to construct triangle ABC where angle A is given 60 degree, angle B is given 30 degree and AB is given 5.8. So just draw a line, baseline 5.8. Here it is 5.8. A, B, 5.8 centimeter. Angle A is 60 degree. Again, take any arc, put your pointer on A, construct a semicircle like this. First arc always cut is 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree. Extend this line. Again on B, it is 30 degree. So again with the same arc, I am drawing one semicircle here. First arc 60 degree and on bisecting this 60 degree, we will get 30 degree. So from this point only, the initial point, I will cut an arc on the edge and the point which I have got here as a 60 degree, I will put this arc, put this pointer on this point and cut an arc on the same arc. You will be finding 30 degree. You can measure it with the help of the protractor also. This must be 30 degree. So this is your 60, this is your 30. So third angle is always 90. This is called angle sum property. ठीक, so 30 plus 60, 90, 90 plus 20, 90, 180 degree. So in this way, first question of this exercise done. Then next question, question number 2, you need to construct triangle PQR. PQ is given, angle Q is given and angle R is given. So just recall the angle sum property. Angle sum property means if in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R should be equals to 180 degree. So angle Q is given 105. Angle R is given 40 degree. So what would be angle P? So angle P is equals to 180 minus 105 plus 40, 145 is equals to 35 degree. So with this we got the third angle also. Angle Q, angle R is given, angle P we got by using this property. So first step is draw PQ. Only one segment is given, so there no need to think about any of the other step. Just baseline you have to take as PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Then you need to draw angle P 35 degree with the help of protractor only. Some construction cannot be do with the help of rounder. So this is the angle which we can draw only with the help of protractor. Theek. So this is your 35 degree. Then angle Q is also given, which is 105, and that we will construct. See how the construction can be possible. Take any arc, draw 160, then 120, then 90. We need not to draw, we don't need 90, so we will take it as dotted line. I will tell you why we are constructing this. Very important thing, na? It is to understand this, how to construct 105. Now this is 90 and this is 120. In between 90 and 120, 30 degree is there. Okay? So 30 degree half is 15 degree. It means in between 90 and 120, if we are getting 30 degree, 30's half is 15 degree, and 90 plus 15 degree is 105 degree. It means half of the 90 and 120 can help you to find out the 105. So this is 120, extend this arc like this. This is 90, extend this arc like this and cut an arc on this. So you will get the angle bisector of the angle between this 90 and 120. So this is your 105 for sure. And in this way you will get the third angle, which is 40 degree. You need not to draw this. This is of course 40 degree because it is 35, it is 105. Whenever they are meeting at some intersecting point, that point should be of the third angle, whatever is given in your question. So in this way the question second is to be solved. Third, examine whether you can construct DEF such that EF is equals to this or not. So let's start. So for constructing triangle DEF with the given measurements, it means two angles are given. Angle M is equals angle E is given. This is angle E, sorry. Angle E is given 110 and angle F is given 80. Sum of these two angle only performs, matlab the sum of these two angle is 190 degree, which is not at all possible for constructing the triangle because 190 degree is greater than 180 degree. Okay? And sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree and three triangles are given. So here to only two triangles sum is 190 degree. Therefore, triangle DEF is not possible to construct. That's it. Why? Because the sum of three angles should be only equals to 180 degree, and here so you will get only two angles as a sum 190 degree, which is greater than 180 degree. So it is not possible. Then the third last exercise of this chapter is 10.5. Here we need to draw again which angles? Three questions. Let's see the different kind of triangle we will get here. So here you have to construct a right angle triangle. You have to construct a right angle triangle PQR where Q is equals to 90 degree, QR is given and PR is given. So let's start the first step of this. Just draw QR 8 centimeter. Here it is, QR 8 centimeter. QR 8 centimeter. Angle Q is 90. It means you need to take any arc. Again, for constructing Q is equals to 90, you need to put this pointer on Q like this. First, it is very corner, so I will take it like RQ. ठीक, don't go for this, just see from here. ठीक, this first arc 90, second arc 120, and in between 60 and 90, first arc 60, sorry, second arc is 120, and in between 60 and 120 you will get 90. So here it is 90. So angle Q is equals to 90 degree. ठीक, and PR, R is given and P here you will get. ठीक है, so angle, you need to draw an arc with the center R, a radius 10 centimeter. So let's take a radius of 10 centimeter, and by taking R as center, R as radius, just draw an arc like this. You will get PQR. So join this PQ. Take this PQ. Then here it is 10 centimeter. Don't go for this step, please, and measure all the segments first. You need not to measure the angles, but you need to measure the segments. PQ is equals to 6 centimeter, PR is equals to 10 centimeter, and PQR is equals to 8 centimeter, which is given in your question. ठीक, I have just changed this QR I was written. Now I am writing RQ because here I was not getting the proper place to construct 90 degree. So let's go for the next question. No issue. You can also change this if you are facing the same problem in your notebook. You can also change this segment like this, but away should be proper. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter and one of its angle leg is 4 centimeter long. So just start drawing one of its leg, 4 centimeter. Name it as AB, 4 centimeter. If it is right angle triangle, again we have to construct 90 degree. Take any arc, standard arc, which should be visible to everyone, to your teacher and to you. Draw a semicircle like this. First arc 60, second arc 120. In between 60 and 120, you will get the angle bisector, which is called 90 degree. Angle bisector of 60 and 120 is 30 degree. So this is your line segment 100 and thick. Then from here you need to construct hypotenuse. It is your 90 degree. So this is your 90 degree. Thick. You need to construct 6 centimeter. So from here take a measurement of 6 centimeter, taking B as radius. Put here arc. This point is C. Here you will get 6 centimeter. So this segment, which one? This proper segment. This is your required right angle triangle, and this is your 90 degree. This angle. ठीक. So in this way you will get your A, B and C. Here also we have done R, Q and P. So after this you have to measure this segments also. So here it is. Again it is 4 centimeter. This was also 4 centimeter. It is also 4 centimeter, and this is the 6 centimeter. That is written in your question only. ठीक. Next question and last question of this exercise. Let's start. Construct an isosceles right angle triangle where angle C is given 90 degree and AC is given 6 centimeter. So let's start. Give a rough diagrams. Actually you have to draw the rough diagram for each and every question, na? So AC 6 centimeter, so B should be here, है ना? AC is 90 degree, so angle C is 90 degree here. This should be C 90 degree and this should be your B. Take, this is your 90 degree, this point is your B. Let's start with the question. Okay, so draw a line 6 centimeter AC. AC 6 centimeter. ठीक, angle A and angle C will be 45 degree which will meet each other at 90 degree. क्यों? Because angle B is equals to angle, I hope कि it is C actually. So C is 90, so means angle A and angle B will be 45 degree. So let's start. If it is 90 degree, so just draw 90 degree here. As it is isosceles right angle, means other two sides are equal and their angles will also be equal because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. ठीक है? So this is your 90 degree. Hypotenuse will never be equal to any of one of its leg. ठीक है? Because it is the longest side. So here it is 90 degree. It means this will be your 45 degree. So let's take again for 90 degree we need to construct like this only. First arc 60, second arc 120 and then 90. So this we need not to draw, but for this, for constructing 45 degree we need this. So 45 degree will be in between 0 and 60. Extending this arc like this and cut an arc from this pointer. This construction is new for you. From this point and this point you will get 45 degree. Put the pointer here first. Cut an arc like this and the next pointer on here this point and cut an arc like this. This will be your 45 degree. Extend this line wherever it can go and the last point will be your B like this. It is A, it is C, then it will be B. Now this is 6 centimeter, just C, and this is 45 degree. This is 90 degree. So this and this side will be 8.5. ठीक. So this side will be exact 6. Exact 6. It is an isosceles right angle triangle. 6 centimeter. Whatever will be the base, the perpendicular will be the same because hypotenuse never will be equal to base or perpendicular. So in this way we have done all the questions of this chapter, practical geometry for class 7th. So thank you so much. Do these questions well, prepare for the exam and get the good marks. Thank you so much.